up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am still in my pants, bro. So Rainy was at the crib like an hour and a half ago, right? And I've been farting all day. Like today, we woke up, we went to the junkyard down in West Palm called LKQ. Went there, got some stuff for the RSX, his RSX, his dad's car, and then we went to Velocity Shop, picked up some Hardrace stuff, which I'm gonna show you guys when I install it. And yeah, so we got back to the crib. Nah, I mean, I'm farting all day, bro. Like all day, I'm farting, and like I'm actually farting. Like this is like day 4 of my stomach virus, but I'm over it now. Bro, one little swig of Pepto-Bismol. And I was cured. It's crazy, bro. If I was a rapper, why would you drink lean? Negro, put some Pepto in a pint of that Sprite. It's raps. Bro, crazy. So anyways, I get home and I have this one fart. Like you guys ever have that fart where it's like, bro, like it's nice, bro. Like the fart is so nice. Like it's genuinely all night. It was like, bro, it was such a good fart, dog. I squirted on my... Crazy, dude. I'm tired of throwing away boxes, bro. I'm 3 boxes in a hole now, dog. I don't have a woman in my life buying me boxes, bro. I gotta get it out the mud, off the muscle. I'm tired of this, bro. I need to be loved and shown appreciation by boxers. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, my name is Percy Mescuddy. Most people call me Zosh, and I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag. Like I stated, I did pick up some suspension stuff. For the Integra, if you don't know, I drive a K24 with a 20 head, pause. I drive a 2420 time attack circuit racer Integra that I've been building over the last couple of years, 6 years to be exact. This year will be 7 years. And I am now going through a suspension overhaul. The only thing I have yet to change on this car is the rear toe arms. Trailing arm bushings and the camber kits. So I'm finally gonna do all that in this video. I'm still waiting on my bushings to come in the mail so I can press out these bad wheel bearings. Bushings in the mail. My wheel bearings to come in the mail so I can press out these old wheel bearings. I also have my Home Development's rear roll correction kit. Not rear roll, god damn it. Front roll center correction kit installed. And yeah. I think the first thing I'm going to attempt to install is these new spherical PCI rear trailing arm bushings. So basically this is how it looks. You basically drill into the thing like so, like it drills like that. And then this goes inside like so, and then it pivots. It's like a pivot ball. So it's like this. Pretty damn cool. Should be a fairly simple process. All I have to do, since I already have the rear lifted in the air, all I have to do is remove these eBay RDT camber kits that I'm going to be replacing. These held up just fine, but they clapped out over some years. I had them on the car for like the last 3 years now. 2 years now. Whatever. I gotta drop the trailing arm. Once I drop this, I'll be able to do my thug dizzle. But yeah, now I just gotta do that. But look at the space I have, bro. Like this is what I work with, bro. This is what a YouTuber with 240-something thousand subscribers, bro. You're famous. Yeah, bro. Look at my work area. This is what I work with every single day. And I gotta do transmission, motor jobs. But bro, I'm blessed to have this space. Cause most people don't even have a garage, you know what I mean? You gotta count your blessings, bro. People always got it worse than you, and people always got it better than you, bro. You just gotta be grateful for what you at and what you have. And once you do that, all the great things in life will happen to you. Just never be hating on people. Don't go hating on people. I used to be a hater, bro. I used to look at these big YouTubers. I'm like, man, these, bro. I used to be like, yo, these niggas. I used to look at these big YouTubers like, wow, bro. Like these people are lame. Yada yada. I was hating, bro. I mean, granted, I may have felt the way because, like, obviously, if I was in that position, which I'm not in, I'd produce some dope-ass content, but I produce the best of my abilities. I make it do what it do, boo-boo. But, yeah, I used to be a hater, bro, because I was envy, I was jealous, and that's nasty. Ugh, jealousy is so ugly. Don't be jealous, bro. Just be grateful for where you at. I'm glad I turned this into a little TED Talk, man. Hit the like button. Okay, if you guys never dropped a rear trailing arm, like me, I've never done this, but it's pretty simple. You have this toe arm that you want to loosen out. This is a 14, drop that. Then you have two 17mm bolts, which connects the trailing arm bushing to the chassis. Drop that, and then you have this bolt right here that connects the, was it this one? Was it that one? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. You want to drop the bottom one that connects the lower control arm to the trailing arm itself. And then I believe up top you have the e-brake you want to be wary of. You don't want to mess that up or anything like that. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all much to it. So I'm gonna get to it and jam out to some music. I would time lapse this, but I think this is pretty pointless. I'll show you guys the install of when I do the PCI because I think that would be beneficial. So yeah. Okay, so removing this trailing arm bushing can go suck yourself. But yeah, this was a pain in the ass, and it's not even off all the way. And yeah, I decided to be lazy and bro. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm level-headed. I feel somewhat decent. I got both trailing arm bushings off. Not bushings, but I got both trailing arms off the car. And I just got to do the removal process of hammering out these rest of the bushings that are in there. But yeah, that's annoying and stupid, but gotta get done, bro. We gotta get it done, bro. But I'm gonna do that later on today. Right now, the homie Cheyenne is on her way over so we can film this podcast. And yeah, so I gotta set up now and yeah. 2 days have passed since I started working on the trailing arm bushings and stuff like that. Surprisingly, I knocked out the old bushing just with a hammer, dog. Like, I was just hammering. I was like, man, let me just go out there in the garage. I need my car back on. I want to drive my car. So the goal of today is to have all this crap done. So I was like, man, let me just, you know, hammer out using my little handy dandy hammer, son. And it worked. But what I did, I just hit it out from the backside. So I feel like it's easier. So that's what we're going to do. But yeah, man, if you want to loosen out your trailing arm bushings, hammer that John. You in it. Tyler Hadley did it. Jesus Christ. I walked in the party. I'm on my bitch. Okay, so next up we have the PCI spherical bushings that we're going to be installing. All the hardware that I need is right here. So basically, oh god, I'm already losing it. So basically what we're going to do is, you see how the trailing arm is, well, the bushing is not fully down in the trailing arm. That's because I didn't push it down yet. I'm about to skip everything without filming it, but there's literally no video on the internet of an Integra PCI trailing arm bushing. And I could use this opportunity to make a professional, great video, but due to my circumstances of, you know, lighting and, you know, things and, you know, tools, and it's ghetto right now, so I gotta make it do what it do. But I hope you guys can follow along in case you want to pick up these spherical bushings for your Integra or EG. But yeah, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. Once you remove the old trailing arm bushings, clean up with like a wire wheel if you want to just make it all nice and neat and purty. And then you just, you know, they just sit in there. You get a hammer or a mallet. You please use a mallet. I'm not going to use this. I'm just showing you guys. I was going to use this, but now that I said use a mallet, I'm going to use a mallet because I don't want to damage my beautiful pieces that no one will ever see. But yeah, you want to just like mallet it down in there so it's all nice and neat. Use like a punch tool to punch your marking, so when you get your, when you're ready to drill, you know, you drill accordingly to the size. So then the bolt go in there like that. On the back side is a washer and a nut, and you're golden. So it's a fairly easy process. You don't have to press anything in or press anything out. You guys saw me hammered out the old bushing, So it's fairly dope, man. It's a pretty simple process. And the reason why I got the PCI, I'm a long-time supporter of Brian and what he's doing. I appreciate him always supporting me by looking out for me. But I didn't feel like using a press to press a new bushings, and if you don't do it right in a certain angle, it's too much. There's too much going on with that. So I'm doing it like this. It's easier. It's better. It is what it is, baby. Just got back from Harbor Freight. Got my punch set that I'm gonna use. Do this kind of professional. You know what I mean? We can be ghetto. You know what I mean? Ghetto has no race. But you know what I mean? We can also do it a little classic. You know, like a little classic ghetto. You know? Okay, so I got both holes cut out perfectly fine. That goes in there like that. And then obviously, you know, that one goes in like that. So now all we do is the installation process of the bushing again. Boop, 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 boop. So that's nice. Where's my mallet? Tap that down in there. Okay, so passenger side trailing arm is complete. Now we just got to put on our new Hardrace toe arms. Adjustable, fully adjustable toe arms, playboy. Look how beautiful these things is. Ooh, look at the eyes, boy. Look at the eyes. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Oh my. So, I'm gonna try to have both control arms back up. I actually have to go get a tap. I have to tap this hole on this one because that one's kind of clappity clap juice. Now, I believe that's an M8 by 1.25, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's an M10. I don't know. I gotta get a bolt too, so I gotta go back to Ace. Which one is the clap bolt? I think it's this one. Yeah, this one's the clapped one. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but oh, you can on camera. Clapped. It is 8 o'clock. Both trailing arms are on. I won't be able to continue. Well, I was supposed to upload this video on a Saturday, which is the time of this recording, but you guys are probably watching this on a Sunday. I have to tighten these tomorrow because they're being a pain, and I don't want to use tools because it's already late at night. So I do that tomorrow. PCI's in there. The Hardrace toe arms are in. Everything is pretty much done. I just got to button up couple loose ends like these 2 bolts, and I would use a ratchet, but my Craftsman ratchet took a doo-doo, so this is garbage, and that's the only ratchet I ever have. I'm still gonna blame Randy for losing my Craftsman, my brand new Craftsman that came in my toolkit. Yeah, I'm just gonna blame Randy, so because he used it last. So, yeah. Bunch of coward bitches, so we click on a bunch of coward bitches. Think the motherfucking bitches red from on my mind. Backyard full of soldier, grip on the 9 millimeter silencer. Think so we click on a bunch of coward bitches. Think the motherfucking bitches red from on my mind. Backyard full of soldier, grip on the 9 millimeter silencer. Got me fucked up. 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 This when we creep on a bunch of coward bitches. Think the motherfucking bitches red rum on my mind. Backyard full of soldiers, grip on the 9 millimeter silencer. Yet another day. Oh my god, this video has been going on forever. But it is coming to a close because we are complete. We are done. We have everything, new suspension on, new bolts because my old ones were stripped out because, well, they've been like that for years. So now I have some fresh new Ace hardware bolts. Got the PCI trailing arm bushings in. I also got the Hardrace toe arms and the Hardrace camber kits. So everything is complete. All this thing needs now is an alignment and the front wheel bearing hub things to be on. But hopefully if Randy got out of work early today, he can have that done. So then we can drive this car to the alignment shop, which is Randy's job. So he can align this thing. So yeah, man. And this is the driver's side, complete, of course. Ooh, 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 yeah. Everything is complete. Now it is time to put the wheels on, lower the back end of the car back onto the floor, and then get these new bearings pressed in. And then the entire Integra will have all brand new suspension. Not one thing has not been replaced, suspension related. Everything is brand spanking new. Build the race car, they said. Do it. It's fun. All right, man. I haven't uploaded in the span of a week, like 8 days. I've only uploaded one video, so it's time that we get to uploading. So what I'm gonna do right now is close off this video. The next video you guys will see will be this thing on the road, driving to get an alignment, and then from there. Yeah, well, next video with the Integra you will see will be it driving and everything. I think the next video I'm gonna do some RSX stuff. I have a trip to Colorado this Thursday with Randy and the fam, so I'm gonna try to bang out like 3 nuts. I mean, my bad. No, I'm not. I did that on purpose. I thought I'd be funny, but yeah. I'm gonna try to do some daily uploads until Thursday. So yeah. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I know it's long and probably boring. I really wish YouTube allowed us to copyright songs from artists and stuff while they still can get paid, because like the song I used for that edit originally was Hit About It by Yachty and Kodak. Such a good song. The beat, bro. It's the beat, dog. The beat slaps. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all regardless. Don't matter to me. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm trying to learn how to raise one eyebrow. I only can do it with one eye closed. I need a girlfriend. Alright, I'm out. Peace. Send your resume.